In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your LinkedIn email address. After creating your LinkedIn account, you want to change your email address. Maybe you just have a change of email and you want to update your profile, but you don't know how. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to update your LinkedIn email address. It's pretty simple and easy. So make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your LinkedIn home feed, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile icon. Then you have to scroll down till you locate settings and click on it. Among the list of menus here under settings, proceed to click on sign in and security. Under account access, proceed to click on email address. Since I'm interested in changing my email address, I have to proceed to click on add email address. And to proceed, you have to enter your current email address and the password. But keep in mind, the password that you need to enter should be your LinkedIn password, so that a confirmation email will be sent to your email address that you provided here, which you can use it to confirm and verify your account before it will be added. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.